Sheesh, got the Himalayas on my face. Welcome back everybody to a brand new video here, joined with your host. Again, everybody, hope you guys are having a good Friday, man, and hope you guys had a good trading week. I just wanted to make this video just to sit down. I don't do too much of these videos. I mainly just do, like, you know, daily recaps, and, you know, I just like to go over the charts. But here and there, you know, I just want to sit down with you guys and just kind of tell you guys, like, you know, give you guys like a little update. So this week I did absolutely horrible. Last week I made some profits, but this week I just lost them all and a half, bro. I took a fat chunk of my account and just blew it all. I want to make sure I make these videos so I could always look back, because, you know, stuff like that, bro, a fat L this week, it throws you off, you know. But in reality, it's like what it's supposed to do. It's supposed to like motivate you. It's supposed to inspire you. And I'm just like, dude, I'm motivated. I'm ready to go. This weekend, you know, I'm gonna kick back. I'm going to the lake tomorrow, so I'm gonna be vlogging that again. Tomorrow I'm just gonna hit the lake, relax, and then Sunday probably just gonna relax, bro. Just let my mind chill. The topic of this video is gonna be the reality of day trading and really what it is, because I'm telling you guys, when I made this channel, I wanted to make sure that, you know, I keep it real as possible. I'll be showing you guys my account pretty much, but I want to keep it real. You know, because a lot of people are out here just like flexing their wins, but bro, it's like you get a lot of losses. And I just hit my 2 years, and it's funny because as soon as I hit my 2 years, I did a horrible, and I'm just like, damn, bro, what have I been doing this past 2 years? Like, did you guys make some profits? Did you guys lose profits? Like, damn, I just spat. At the end of the day, again, everybody, it's just practice and just learning, you know, from your mistakes. Because I've noticed that I haven't journaled. I guess the only way I journal is through these like videos, you know. So I do, I guess, like a video journal, which is, I guess, somewhat alright. But I should really be writing them down, you know. If you guys are watching this video, just know that you're not alone, man. There's times where you literally just keep losing back to back to back. Even sometimes when you have a winning streak and you're like, all right, you know what, I got this. And then all of a sudden you just start losing it all. Like, bro, I'm there right now. I've been here before. I've had my ups and downs, and like, in reality, bro, trading really is all mental. Overall this year, I'm profitable. Even if I had, you know, a really shitty month, like it'd be whatever, you know. I still got a couple more months till 2023 to make up for those losses, you know. Nah, man, but I took a major L this week. I just feel like I just wasn't focused, bro. It all comes down to just being patient, you know, because I feel like this past 2 weeks I've been just so impatient. I'll be like, you know what, I want it now. Like, bro, I'm working hard, like, but taking these fat losses this week just made me realize, like, bro, I just gotta stay humble. I just gotta wait for my turn, and I just have to be patient. That's all it is, bro. This week, I swear, like, let me tell you guys, bro, I woke up and every morning I was just like in a bad mood. I was like, not in a bad mood, I was just tired. I was like, bro, I'm just so tired, just working long hours. I'm trying to hit the gym, so I'll be waking up kind of like, you know, hella groggy and hella tired. Like, I'm just not focused. I see a setup and I'm just like, let me hop in that real quick. I'm like, bro, I just turned on my computer like 5 minutes ago. Like, I should give it at least 30 minutes before I enter a position, so I can fully wake up, I can fully look at the charts. And that's what I want to let you guys know too. Like, sometimes you just have to turn on your computer and just sit there. If you see a setup and if you miss it, it's all good, you know. It's all good. At the end of the day, you're probably gonna see another setup within an hour or 2 hours, maybe the next day, depending what you guys trade. I trade indexes, so they're usually pretty fire, you know, with the setups. Another thing too is I want to make this channel for everybody. If you trade forex, crypto, NFTs, like, bruh, I just want to make a community of all different types of traders and just like pull up. At the end of the day, I feel like trading really is all the same. It just depends what you're trading. It could be, you know, like a forex, crypto, stocks, like every single ticker has its own personality. So it doesn't matter what you trade. Just go trade something, look at a symbol and just study it. That's all you got to do. Study it for like 6 months to a year. That's what I've been doing with the indexes. Just been studying them, watching them. I got a handful of stocks, a handful of like forex pairs, a handful of cryptos I also be looking at. Like, it makes me think, like, maybe, like, what if I were to trade it twice a week, you know, on Tesla? And it's possible because people trade it every day, you know. And one thing about me is I'm just own up to it. I'm just hella impatient, bro. I turn on my computer and I'm just like right away enter into a trade, and then after I lose, and I'm just like, bro, why would I do that? Like, every single loss that I've taken, I've noticed that it's really because I'm impatient. I've taken a couple trades the past couple of days and I did take L's on them, but I've noticed that I'm like, okay, this trade I was just completely wrong. You know, it just went the opposite direction. It hit my stop loss, my mental stop loss. But majority of my big L's, it's just like, bro, why did I hop in it? Like, I just logged on to the computer. I'm still half asleep. Like, bro, wake up a little bit, give myself, you know, some time to wake up, to actually watch the charts a little bit. Yeah, and then there'll be times where I'm so tired in the morning. I'm like, let me hop in a quick trade. It's funny because I'll bag a winner, but then I'll just like exit out the trade hella quick, and I'm just making like a quick like 5, 6, 7%, and then like later on, I could have waited an extra 20 minutes. It could have been up 20, 30%. I trade options, so fire, right? Man. So this weekend, I am just going to just reflect, you know, just find ways to be more patient, because that's all I need. For me, that's all I need to work on. Patience. The patterns, the price action trading, like I feel like I got it down, but it's just like my patience, man. So this weekend, I'm about to just chill out, relax. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys are gonna do anything. If any means you guys go to a leg, you guys let me know. That'd be sick. I'm like, hey, what's good? Fan meetup. Even though I got like 30 subs. I used to meditate, but I don't know. I just fell off, you know. I stopped meditating. I think that's one thing I gotta do. I gotta hop on that meditation again. So if you guys are out there, man, if you guys are struggling with trading, hey man, don't even sweat it, bro, because we all be struggling here and there, you know. After a couple years, couple months of actually just, you know, training yourself, just practicing every day, just not giving up, you know. And the way I see this is like, bro, I'm motivated, bro. I'm not even like sad. I'm not even bummed out that I like took a fat L. At the end of the day, I'm gonna make it back, you know. At the end of the day, within a year, 2 years, I'm gonna be making like what, triple, quadruple as much as I'm like, you know, making right now. Like, bro, I'm juiced, man. I really am excited, bro. Like this trading journey is like, it's been dope, bro. 2 years ago, I knew nothing about stocks, bro. You would open up a trading platform. I would look at the candles. I'd be like, bro, what the hell is all this? Like, what? It's like, bro, I'm about to fly a freaking UFO spacecraft or something. Like, what the hell's going on? All these like colors, numbers. I'm like, stock. I'm like, bro, what is that? I hope you guys have a good weekend. Make sure you guys drop a like, a comment, subscribe, click that bell so you guys get notified every time we upload. My bad, my room's a mess. I know I'm a dude. Another thing too is, dude, I have 2 vlogs just chilling. I just have to edit them already. Just two bangers, actually. You guys are gonna enjoy this. The first vlog, we go bowling. I go get like a little pedicure, the thing that they do on your feet. Hella random, I know, hella random. And then another vlog, my cousin's 31st birthday, so he got like a boat. And we just went out on Don Pedro Lake, and bro, we just like turned up, and I have like snaps, videos of it. So I think I'm just gonna put that together and just drop it, you know. And then again, tomorrow I'm going to the lake, so I'm probably gonna be vlogging tomorrow too. So it's gonna be lit. But yeah, man, you guys have a good one. Peace out, and have a good weekend.